Hey GED students, it's GED question of the daytime, and I'm so excited about this question because it just seems to me to be so typical of something the GED would do to you. Let's take a look. It says Jilliana is building 4 raised flower beds in her backyard. If each box is 6 feet long, 2 feet wide, and 3 feet deep, how many cubic feet of soil will need to be purchased? Now, this is why I say it's typical of the GED because there's more work than you'd expect. Let me show you what I mean. A lot of students for me are good. They can draw me the flower bed. They're like, okay, the flower bed is like this long box here. And we're going to do each one 6 feet long. So they give me that 6 feet measurement, 2 feet wide. And then they tell me, oh, 3 feet deep, there's that. And so they see that it's this wonderful rectangular prism with my width, my depth, and my length measured. They even look at this phrase, how many cubic feet of soil, and they realize that they're going to fill up that box with soil. So this is a volume problem. So I often get students who, oh, I know this is a volume of a rectangular solid problem, Kate, and they give me the volume equals length with height. And they get super excited because they know how to plug into this. So let's see, our length was 6 feet, our width was 2 feet, and our height, or depth in this case, since we're talking about how deep the soil is, would be 3 feet. And then these students often recognize that they can do that multiplication on the right-hand side of that problem and simplify it to find out that the volume of this cubic rectangular prism is 36. And even these students even know this part, that it's cubic feet. They get super excited. They wipe their hands, decide they're done with the problem, walk away. And these are the students who tell me, oh, I understood everything on my math test, and yet they don't pass. Why? You got fooled. You missed something. What did we miss? Let's go back and take a look. It says Juliana is building 4 raised flower beds in her backyard. Can you guys just be really careful for me? It breaks my heart again and again that you can do all the hard math and then you miss when we spell numbers. The GED knows that you guys will miss when they spell numbers. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if they spell a few numbers in the word problems. I have 4 of these flower beds, so I'm not done with this problem yet. I've figured out the volume of one of these boxes. I can fill one of these boxes with 36 cubic feet of soil, but I had to fill 4. So I'm going to need to take this measurement that I got and buy that many soil 4 times, or times it by 4. So 36 times 4 gives me a total of 144 cubic feet to purchase. Guys, go back, read your problem when you think you're done. It would just be awful to do all your geometry right and get marked wrong for silly reasons. All right, if you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.